Is your refrigerator running all the time? Let's look at some reasons why this could be happening.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
As a 37-year veteran technician, my biggest question in the field currently is, why is my refrigerator running all the time? I just purchased a new refrigerator and it's running 80 to 90% of the time. And I tell them it's completely normal and it's saving them energy. The older compressors in the 1970s and 80s were designed to start and stop all the time. They had larger compressors, they ran at a higher amperage, they used more electricity. The reason why they were using more electricity is because they would spike when they started up. The newer refrigerators are running at a very, very low amperage and they're running 80 to 90% of the time, and the customers just can't understand that. So by these new energy efficient compressors out there and the new units that are out there, which are better insulated, the average consumer will save anywhere between $150 to $200 a year on electrical consumption and have a much more energy efficient refrigerator as time goes on. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next one.